Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Absolutely Sha. Welcome to my channel. By the title of this video, you know that I'm going to share with you my January Boxycharm goodies that I received in the mail. So if you have not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so that each and every time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So I do have my Boxycharm box right here. This is my January box. So without further ado, let's see what cool goodies I got this month. So if you are unfamiliar with Boxycharm, it's like a, it's not like it is a monthly makeup beauty subscription that you receive each and every month. You receive, I believe it's either 4 to 5 full-size items, or it might be 5 to 6 full-size items. I've been with them for quite a few years now, so I can't remember exactly what the amount of full-size items that you get. But if you want to discover brands that you've never heard of, or if you want to try out brands that you are familiar with, it's just a great way to really check out nice beauty products and makeup products from different brands that are out there now. So I highly suggest that you give Boxycharm a try. I will leave my referral link in the description box below. I am no way, shape, or form being sponsored by Boxycharm. It's just a really cool service that I love, and I like to make these videos and share with you what I get each month. So this is my January box. My December box came super late. Like, I got my December box this month. So I didn't make a video about my December box. I might just go ahead and share with you guys anyway what I received in the December box, because I haven't even opened it. But this is my January box. So in each box with your Boxycharm subscription, you get a cool postcard like this, and it lists all the items that you received in the box, as well as what they're used for and their retail value. So this is January's, and it says Fresh Start. So this is the postcard. So I'll be referring to the postcard to show you everything it is that I received. So the first thing is Violet Voss Olive You Forever. So this seems to be a eyeshadow palette. Yes, it is. So let's open it up and let's see what I received. Oh, so these are some really, really pretty colors. So these are the colors in the eyeshadow palette. I think they're very beautiful. These are eyeshadow color shades that I typically go for. So yeah, I'm excited about these. You know what I've been thinking? I've been thinking about doing like a makeup look of like one of the boxes I received. So like what I'm thinking is that like I'll do a look from, like, let's say January's Boxycharm box. I'm thinking about doing that. But yeah, so this is Violet Voss I Love You Forever eyeshadow palette. The retail value of this eyeshadow palette is $34. So this costs $34. Now, what I paid monthly for Boxycharm, I believe it's about $26. So I've already paid for this palette, and I have many more items to go ahead and open. So that's my first item. Let me move the bubble wrap. All right, so the next thing I have is Avant, and this is a hyaluronic acid rejuvenating miracle water. So I have this, and I'm going to read to you what you use this for. So this is infused with replenishing ingredients. It's an oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup in a micellar, water, working to capture impurities. So it dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. So it's like a makeup remover. And oh, I didn't tell you the retail value. The retail value of this is $90. The retail value of this is $90, and I told you this was what, $34. So look the value, and I only paid $26. So that's my second item that I received. So let's go with what's next. So this is Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask, and this is by Seraphine Botanicals. So this is a lip mask, and let's open it. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this cute little tube here, and I'm always curious to see if things have a scent on it or not. I'm just so curious to know. I don't really, well, it might have a slight little scent to it. It might. But let's see what the retail value of this is. So this is Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. The retail value of this is $25. $25 for this. So I think it's pretty self-explanatory what you use this for. It's made with rosehip oil, so that's cool. And it works to keep lips chapped-free, smoothed, and plumped all at once. So yeah, pretty excited. I like this box. This box seems like a really good one this month. So yeah, so that's a lip mask. So that was what, like my third item that I received. So next I have, this is by Queen Dragon Duo. I believe this might be a lippy, or no, it says eyeliner. Oh wait, it's an eyeliner liquid. So let's see, Dragon Liner Wax Pencil. So this is a Dragon Liner Wax Pencil. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. I like that tip, if you can see. I like eyeliners with tips like that. I am excited about this. So it's two in here. So I have that one. And then I have, this must be a liquid one. I have this. Yes. And then I have this tip right here. So let's see what the retail value of this is. So the retail value of Queen Studio Dragon Duo is $28. So this eyeliner duo, $28. I'm really excited about that. So that's my fourth item. And the last item I have, this is my fifth item, is from Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer with moringa and papaya. So I have this, so it's a daily moisturizer. So let's see. Let's open it up out of the packaging, if I can get it. Ooh, this is packed in here. Okay, I think I heard of this brand. All right, so this is what it looks like. It comes in this. And let me take, it does smell like Daily Greens. This is what it looks like. It does have a scent to it. I definitely think I smell the papaya for sure. All right, so let's see what the retail value of this is, and let's see what you use it for. So I believe I saw on the back of it, it says to, so you apply this to a clean face. You can use it in the AM and the PM, and it's ideal for combination and oily skin. So it's a daily moisturizer, ideal for combination and oily skin. And the retail value of this gel moisturizer is $38. So the retail value of this is $38, and that is my fifth item. So that is what I received this month in my Boxycharm subscription. That was my January box. I really am excited about a lot of the cool things that I received this month. So if you are interested, then I highly suggest that you go ahead and you get you some Boxycharm subscription. Now, you know what? Real quick, I'm just gonna show you what I got in my December box since I haven't opened it. So let me be right back. All right, so this was December's box. Like I said, I got it super duper late. I never received it, and so they had to send me one. So this is from December. So December's was Bubbles and Glitz. This is a card, and I'm just gonna quickly run through and tell you what I got. Ooh. So I got some brushes. You can never have enough brushes. I freaking love brushes. So this is the Luxie Iconic Eye Set. And the retail value of this is $45. $45. I love me some makeup brushes. I can never have enough. Let's see. The next thing is Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. This is a good box. And this is what it looks like. Let's open it. But this is what it has, this kind of tip right here. And so let's see what this is good for. So it's a priming moisturizer that leaves skin smooth with a dewy, hydrated glow. So you can apply it every morning to clean skin. And the retail value of this is $49. So the retail value of that one is $49. Let's see. The next thing I have is Visart Professional Makeup. This is a eye primer from this brand. And let's see. And this is what it looks like. So it's an eye primer. I've been in the market of looking for an eye primer, and this is what the tip of it looks like. So yeah, that's an eye primer. So let's see what the retail value of this is. Retail value of this is $24. Oops, so let me hold it up. So the retail value of this primer is $24. So that's my third item. Again, this is my December box now. And I have Banana Powder Brightening and Setting Power by Ofer. I have this. And let's open it and see. Okay, so this is the packaging. This is the back of it. And this is what it looks like. You know, it might be a little bit too light for me. But it says, peel this way with our all-in-one pressed banana powder. The innovative matte powder, which is lightly banana scented, is versatile and can be used to conceal under dark eye circles, concealer, highlight, matte eyeshadow. Oh, wait, it says it has a banana scent. Let me smell and see. Oh, it does. It does. Definitely has a banana scent. So let's see what the retail value of this is. The retail value of this is $35. Retail value of this is $35. So that is my fifth item. And I have one more item. So this will be my sixth item. And this is Caliente Artist Couture. This is what the front looks like. This is what the back looks like. So it definitely seems like it's an eyeshadow palette. And let's open up and let's see what, ooh. These are definitely some bright colors. Look at that. Definitely some bright colors. I need to play around with different makeup shades. But the retail value of this is $30 for this. $30 for this. So yeah, that was my December box. So yeah, I'm really I like it. I can never go without a lot of brushes. All right, guys, so there you have it. So I shared with you my January box first, and then just now you saw my December box. So if you are interested in Boxycharm and you want to try out different makeup brands and beauty products, then I highly suggest that you check them out. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my very next video. Bye.